In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account to your eBay seller account for direct payouts, a crucial step for efficiently managing your online sales. Adding your bank account ensures that the payments you receive from your buyers are directly deposited, making it easier to track and manage your earnings. To start, you'll want to make sure you're using the Google Chrome browser. Open it up and head over to the eBay website. Once there, log into your eBay seller account with your usual credentials. This step is essential as it gains you access to your account dashboard, where you can manage your selling activities and settings. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll want to navigate to your account settings. This area houses all your personal information and settings, enabling you to control how you operate on the platform. Look for the payments section that appears within your account settings. This section is dedicated to managing how you receive and handle transactions, and it is here that we'll add your bank account details. Upon accessing the payments section, you'll see an option to Add Bank Account. Clicking on this option will begin the process of linking your bank account to your eBay seller account. It's at this point that accuracy becomes paramount. You're going to be required to input specific bank details, including your account number and routing number. Take your time with this step, double-checking each number you input. Entering accurate details will avoid any potential delays or misdirection of your funds. After you've entered your bank details, eBay will prompt you to verify the account. This verification step is crucial as it confirms that the account belongs to you and ensures that your payouts are transferred securely and correctly. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process, which might include confirming micro deposits or completing verification via online banking credentials. Once the verification process is successfully completed, don't forget to save this information. Saving confirms that your bank account is now linked to your eBay seller account, ensuring all future payouts are directly deposited into the account you specified. This setup allows you to streamline your financial operations, providing a hassle-free way to receive the money you earn from selling on eBay. And there you have it. You've successfully linked a bank account to your eBay seller account. This established connection will greatly simplify how you handle your payouts, allowing you to focus more on what you love most about selling online. Thanks for following along, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't hesitate to subscribe for more tips on managing your eBay seller account.